everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be comparing HelloFresh roasted veggie farro bowls to Marley spoon. I actually have two recipes. Coconut peanut rice noodles. So first things first, mise en place. I have a container with water, and what I do is I take the paper bag that the meal comes in and I cut it up and create like a garbage area so all your scraps just fall into it, and it makes cleanup super easy. So let's start with the roasted veggie farro bowls. We're gonna cook the farro, roast the sweet potato and onions, marinate cranberries, and make a dressing. So this is actually great because it's 90 degrees outside and I'm craving something cool. Over here I have some farro, and it is going to slowly come to a boil. Right here we have the grill going with the sweet potato, and I just threw on half moons of onion, and that's going to go on our essentially grain bowl. The final step is to create some quick pickled cranberries. So this is just the cranberry that they give you, and that goes in lemon. So while this is going down, we're gonna start on Marley Spoon by Martha Stewart, my hero. So this is the coconut peanut rice noodles, and already I can tell you that we have a problem with quality control. So this is the zucchini they sent me. I don't know if you can tell this, but it's dented, and I'll use like maybe a third of this, but this is a consistent problem that I'm finding with all the meal kits. Luckily, my neighbor has a vegetable garden, and I'm just going to use yellow squash, and I think it'll look more interesting. So I'm going to start my mise en place, which is everything in its place. So this is a rare occurrence in my house because we have all 4 burners going. In the back, the only way I know how to blister green beans is by using a cast iron skillet. And I fried the squash in batches because I really like caramelization. The farro is taking forever. We might even be done the Thai food before the farro. And in the very back is the water boiling for noodles. So we're going to make the sauce. We have some really finely chopped cilantro stems. They include the peanut butter, the tamari, the coconut milk powder, as well as sriracha. And once again, I don't think this is a real problem with quality control, but as you can see, the cilantro, it's okay. No, sorry, it's not okay. It's pitiful actually. So anything that seems to be fresh from the ground didn't survive the trip from, I'm assuming, New York. So yeah, it seems that HelloFresh aren't the only people who have issues with quality control, because this herb didn't make it through the trip. So I'm going to make the sauce, and we're almost ready to put everything together. Here we have the noodles draining and need to be rinsed. And here we're gonna cook the coconut noodle sauce. I don't know about you, but I'm superstitious and I like my noodles really long, because a long time ago I heard that there's a Chinese proverb that says that shortened noodles shorten your life, so that's kind of a bummer. All the noodles fell apart. Next, I'm adding all the charred vegetables. I'm hoping that this tastes as good as it looks, and will I make Martha Stewart Proud. This is the peanut sauce, rice noodles, and charred vegetables. This is the farro, basically grain bowl with parmesan, cranberries, arugula, sweet potato, and charred onions. And this is by HelloFresh. Alright, so what do you think of HelloFresh farro grain bowl essentially? It's good?
Delicious.
Okay.
Yep.
Now trade plates. What do you think of, pardon my dog, he's very thirsty, it's a hot day and he's drinking water. What do you think of the noodles with caramelized / blistered green beans and squash and zucchini? Knocked it out of the park.
This is way
Way better.
better and awesome. Yeah.
Okay, when I come back, I'm going to review the 2 meal subscriptions. What do you think of the cauliflower egg salad breakfast I made for you?
You really knocked it out of the park, I think.
Okay, what do you like about it?
Just cauliflower that you had fried that goes really well with the onions. The salad and the egg was perfect combination.
You like the almonds?
For sure. Yeah.
Good. What do you think of the level of spice?